divide 468 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get Z. So now we put down this 6 and 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 8 and it is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting, we get Z. So 468 divided by 4 is 117. So this much for today and thanks for watching.